Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Vanguard to invest in the S&P 500. Vanguard is a renowned investment company that offers a range of financial products, including index funds and exchange-traded funds that track the S&P 500. To get started, you need to open a Vanguard account. You can do this by visiting the Vanguard website and following the prompts to create an account. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, and fund your account with an initial deposit. Once your account is open, you can navigate to the Vanguard website and search for the Vanguard 500 Index Fund or the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. These funds track the S&P 500 index, which is a benchmark of the U.S. stock market and includes the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the U.S. When investing in the S&P 500 through Vanguard, you have the option to invest in either the index fund or the ETF. The index fund is a mutual fund that tracks the S&P 500 index, while the ETF is a traded fund that also tracks the S&P 500 index. Both options provide broad diversification and can be a low-cost way to invest in the U.S. stock market. To invest, simply select the fund you want to invest in, and enter the amount you want to invest. You can invest a lump sum, or set up a regular investment plan to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. It's also important to consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before investing. The S&P 500 can be volatile, so it's essential to have a long-term perspective and a well-diversified portfolio. In terms of costs, Vanguard is known for its low fees. The expense ratio for the Vanguard 500 Index Fund is currently very low, making it a cost-effective way to invest in the S&P 500. Finally, it's essential to monitor and adjust your portfolio regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. You can do this by logging into your Vanguard account and reviewing your portfolio. By following these steps, you can easily use Vanguard to invest in the S&P 500 and start building a diversified portfolio. Remember to always do your research, consider your investment goals and risk tolerance, and consult with a financial advisor if you need guidance.